Hi, I'm Gene Crouch with Keller Williams Realty Group here at Lake Wedowee, and today we're bringing another one of our featured homes. This is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath, custom-built home on the south end of the lake in Hunter Bend Subdivision. It's a great place. We started out here on this porch. It's about 900 square feet screened in. What a wonderful place. We're going to walk you through the back door going into the kitchen. You're going to love this place. Come on and take a look. You walk in here, and coming into the house, you've got a beautiful kitchen. This has got a great open floor plan, nice dining area right here. Beautiful kitchen, double oven, wine cooler. You come on in and you notice we've got 2 bedrooms on this level. Both of them have their own bathroom. One's the master and one's the second bedroom. We got hardwood floors on this level. You got 9-foot ceilings. This is a smaller bedroom with a full bath. Really nice layout. You can't have too many bathrooms in a lake home. Neat part about this one too is this is going to be used as your second bath on the main level. You've got an entrance to it through the kitchen. So you don't have to come through a bedroom to get to the bathroom. Wonderful view from all the bedrooms overlooking the lake. So here we go, we're going over to the master area. Got a nice fireplace, stone fireplace. That's a vented fireplace, log burning with a gas starter. And we're going into the master area right here. Beautiful bath, double vanity, nice shower, tile shower, custom. Look at that tile work, beautiful. This is your master bath. You're coming into your master bedroom. You got a big room, plenty of room in here, nice little sitting area. You also got a French door going out to a covered deck. And again, we got hardwood floors, we got nice crown molding. I'll tell you, you got 2 more wonderful bedrooms upstairs with another bath, but we're going to skip those. We're going to take you downstairs where you got another great room, another nice kitchen area, 2 more bedrooms, and 3 baths. Take a look. Walk out on this level, you've got another covered deck right here, but take a look at this another great room down here with a fireplace. This is an unvented fireplace, but you got plenty of room to come down and send the kids down here. You want to kind of give them a little bit more room upstairs. Also, you've got 8-foot doors going out to the outside of this deck. The concrete patio, all covered. And then, hey, look at this kitchen. There's a second kitchen in this home. Beautiful appliances, kitchen sink. You've got a cooktop, gas cooktop. You got another little wine cooler down here, microwave built in, and a fan. So what a cool place. Take a look at those custom cabinets. And a lot of room. You got, like I said, you got 2 bedrooms down here, and you got 3 full baths. Got your laundry room down here. And all these bedrooms have a view of the lake. So let's go out there and take a look at this wonderful lot. You got about 150 feet of year-round water. You got a seawall. And again, one more covered deck. But look out here what you got going down. You got steps down there to year-round water. You got a double-decker covered aluminum docks, got a boat lift in it and 2 jet ports. You got a little aluminum gazebo down there, and you got year-round water. This is in Hunter Bend Subdivision. Nice cove. If we clean up a few of these trees around here, you'd love the view. So this one's just going on the market, but what a cool place. We sure want you to come back and take another look at this thing in person. We'd love to set up a time to show it to you. Give us a call. Now here's the front of the house, actually the street side of the house, and if you'll notice, it's a nice cottage look, covered porch all the way around, nice yard, and then over to the right you've got a nice 1-car garage right there. Great place for a single car, or maybe putting your jet ski, small fishing boat, something like that. Nice lot, nice curb appeal to this place.